Hello everyone, this lesson we will focus on the grammatic point of 去, which is used to express movement from one place to another. In Mandarin Chinese, the verb 去 is used to express the idea of going to a place or leaving a place. This verb is typically placed after the subject of the sentence and before the location of the sentence, and before the location being traveled to or from. For example, 我去学校，我去学校 I'm going to school. 你去哪里？你去哪里？ Where are you going? 他去超市买东西。他去超市买东西。She's going to supermarket to buy things. Okay, let's do some practice. The first one, create 3 sentences using 去 to express that you are going to a specific place. Practice 2. Create a dialogue using this grammar structure. Imagine you are going to the movies with a friend. Use the grammar point 去 to ask questions and respond to your friend. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. You should now be able to use the verb 去 to express movement from one place to another. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. 再见。